Today I'm going to show you a valuable resource that I found for teachers of STEM related activities, science teachers, maybe you're homeschooling your kids, maybe you have a science project you have to do with your child. This is free. Let's get going. First thing, type in MEL. It's right here, MEL Science. We are going to go ahead and find MEL Science here in Google. Now, you're looking at this and you're going, wait a minute, this is some sort of hands-on kit monthly subscription type thing? And the answer is yes, it is. I haven't tried it out for myself yet, and I will in another video and review it. But for now, I want to show you the free part. And that's where this video comes in because I stumbled across it. Most people aren't going to find it unless you're looking for it. If you scroll down the MEL Science website all the way down, what we're looking for are the articles. Now, I am an affiliate. I am part of the affiliate program, so of course I want to always be above board. I don't, again, know that much more about it than you at this point, but I will in the future. So subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and I'll update you on things related to MEL Science along with other things. Click on articles. This is where it gets interesting. So there's a library here of different videos of experiments, and these would be a valuable resource for any teacher, parent, or student. The other thing that's really cool about it is they do break it up into different topics. They do also let you filter as far as danger, duration, and difficulty. Certainly things that would be higher in danger would be more suited for a teacher in a science lab. Duration, that's going to depend, again, if you're a teacher, how much time in the classroom are you going to put towards a particular project or a lab. And difficulty, well, that's going to vary, and certainly more of your middle school, high school, you're going to go on the high end for difficulty versus the low end if the children are younger. Let's just check out a few of these together. How about chemical tricks? That sounds interesting, doesn't it? If I go ahead and I scroll down and I hit search, let's see what we come up with here. Science worms for St. Patrick's Day. Well, we're not close to that. Chlorophyll, thermos, home science, milk plastic, and ignite with a single touch. Of course, something like, again, it ignites with a single touch might be something more suited for a chemistry lab situation. How about graphite garland? There's a video. They have a lot of videos on YouTube, but they're here all in one place. They give you some other related type articles that you might be interested in. And what's really cool, again, for a parent or a teacher, they list all the equipment you need, their instructions, and then there's, of course, the description as well. Now, this holiday wooden tree, you might not have at home. Pencil you'd have, LEDs you're not going to have, battery pack, and AA batteries. That's where the subscription, the monthly subscription for MEL Science would come in if you're interested in doing this at home with your child. You get it in the mail, it would have everything you need, and you can go ahead and get rocking and rolling on whatever the activity is. Certainly in a school setting, you're going to have more of these things at your fingertips. Once again, you go to MEL Science, you scroll all the way down the main page, click on articles, and there are plenty of different resources here that are totally free, including the videos, the description, the list of equipment that you need to get yourself started. If you like what you see and would like to check out more from MEL Science, if you click on the link in the description, it goes through my link as an affiliate. Doesn't cost you any extra, and you're going to get some great discounts on some great science kit materials. I hope you enjoyed this. Please consider subscribing, and good luck.